Hi, I'm Eric Allen at EdenBrothers.com, and today we're looking at Monarchs and the Milkweeds, the butterfly magnets. If you want dependable perennials and butterflies in your garden, you will want milkweed. And there are several choices, but all are butterfly magnets. The number one is always butterfly weed, the beautiful 3-foot orange flowered perennial that's native from South Florida all the way to Canada. All the milkweeds are among a few native wildflowers that have been taken into gardens for two reasons. They're beautiful, and butterflies love them. They all grow in zones 3 through 9. Then there are two of them called swamp milkweed, the red-purple version and the white-flowered one, both growing to about 4 feet. They're wild perennials, too, and the butterflies love them just as well. They like moisture, but they don't have to grow in a swamp. They're happy in almost any soil. Then there's one that's an annual, the brilliant bloodflower, or sunset flower, also a native North American wildflower. Only 18 inches tall, it's blood red with yellow centers, a real beauty. The milkweeds are best planted in fall. Because the perennials among them need a cold treatment to bloom, that means if you plant in fall, Mother Nature will give them the winter cold and they'll bloom next summer. If you want to plant in spring, simply put them into a moist paper towel, fold it into a Ziploc bag, and refrigerate it for at least 3 weeks before planting. In fall or spring, simply seed them directly into your garden. Pick a bright sunny spot, break up the soil, and sprinkle them on top of the dirt. As with most wildflowers, don't cover them. Just compress the soil for good seed-to-soil contact. Can't decide which to plant? Then try our Butterfly Attractor collection with 4 of them, and plant them all. The beautiful milkweed's botanical name is Asclepias, named after Asclepios, the ancient Greek god of medicine. Their milky sap was used medicinally for centuries. But today, they are famous for their beauty and their attraction of butterflies. The milkweeds have a long blooming season all summer into fall, and the whole time you'll enjoy them as much as the butterflies, particularly when the monarchs appear on their annual southern migration in late summer, feeding on milkweeds as they go. I'm Eric Allen for EdenBrothers.com, the seediest place on earth.